Hi, Jamie here from Poodle Press. Hope you're well. Here's a look at Storefront Pro Wishlist. This is our new add-on module that's free for current Storefront Pro subscribers. That will let your browsers with your website add their products that they're interested in to a wish list. And you'll see down here, you've got this little heart icon. And if I click on that, this is my existing wish list. You'll see I haven't added any products, so I'm just going to add some. And you'll see next to each add to cart button, there's this little icon here, this little heart icon, and if I click on that, you see it just drops into my little wish list down here. So there's great user feedback to tell your customers that they're actually being added into the wish list, and they can just add these as they go along. And here we go, here's those three that I've just added. Let me just add one more. This looks nice. Let's add that address. And again, when I click on this, here's my current wish list, and this will just be saved without them having to log in or create an account on your site. So we're using some cool technology that lets you do that. Also, if customers really want to access these on different computers, you'll see they can actually sign in with Google or Facebook to save this wish list and then access it from anywhere. But it will be available on their computers for as long as they like, which is cool. And then they can get further information on these. So if you click on these, you'll see it gives you further information. And you can actually add it to the cart directly from the Wishlist app as well. So the whole idea behind this is that we're trying to help you sell more products on your sites. And let me just add a few more so you can see a few more. There we go. And they can also remove them from the wishlist, just as simple as that. And you'll see how it removes from the wishlist down here as well. So that's the wishlist I've just created. It's a one-click to install, so it's incredibly simple to get up and running. The branding of the app is all derived directly from your site, so you don't have to worry about any branding. It just happens like magic. So that's a look at how the users interact with the Wishlist app. I'm going to show you next how you can customize certain aspects of the design of how it looks on your site. Right, so we've got some nice customization options in, so you can change the look and feel of how the wish list operates on your site. So this is just looking at a single product, and you see on a single product you have this option here to actually have the wish list over the product image. But let me show you where all this stuff happens. So if I click on customize, so we've built it all into the customizer. You will see once you've installed the Wishlist app that we've got this new panel here on the left that says Wishlist, and in here is all the good stuff. So hopefully it's fairly self-explanatory, but you can do things like change the shop settings. So I'll start from the top. The app icon position is this icon down here, so you can change the color fill, the size of it, and you can also change the position of the app icon. So at the moment it's set to be bottom left, so it's bottom left. Let me just go to the shop settings so you can see those. You can also change where this little heart appears in the shop settings. So currently on this site, it's set to the right of the add to cart button, but you can have some other choices. So you can have it to the left of the add to cart button here. There we go, now it's on the left. And you can also change the color and the size of it as well here. And let me just go back to the single product so you can see that finally. You can also change the design of where the Wishlist app appears on the single product image. So at the moment it's set over the product image, but you can change that again to be after the cart button here. So you'll see it'll just change over there over the cart button. And again, you've got some other choices in here as well, and you can change the heart size and the color. So hopefully we've thought of everything. So there's a quick look at the Storefront Pro Wishlist app. We hope you love it.